So hello students, my name is Akash Kumar Sahani and today I am going to teach you physics of class 10th and the chapter name is light, reflection and refraction. So let's get started. So before we study what is light, reflection and refraction, we should know some previous knowledge. For example, what is luminous object? So if I will tell what is luminous object, luminous object. So luminous object is object which produces their own light. The object which produces their own light is known as luminous object. For example, you can see the stars in the sky, you can see the sun. Sun is actually one of the star, but for the example we can write it down sun. Then tube light, then burning candle, and your bulbs, etc. These are the example which can be written down in the luminous object. You have already studied about this, right? Yes, fireflies also come in the luminous object. Fireflies, right? Again, there is another object that is known as non-luminous object. Non-luminous. Let me change the pen. Luminous object. So, what is non-luminous object? The object which does not produces their own light, which does not produces their own light, right? For example, your camera, yes, pen, yes, more examples, your notebook, and many others. So we will write etc. So these are the things that we have already studied in our class 8. So what is luminous object? The object which produces their own light is known as luminous object. And what are the examples? Stars, sun, tube light, candle, bulbs, etc. Right? Yes, students get confused between moon. So can anyone tell me what is moon? Moon is a luminous or non-luminous? So I will tell you, moon is a non-luminous object. Non-luminous object. Now recall what is non-luminous object? Yes, which does not produces their own light. But we can see the moon produces their own light, right? So why we have put this in non-luminous object? So student, moon does not produces their own light. This is your moon, this is your sun. And because of the sun, there is a light coming from the sun which is reflected by our moon, and that reflection we will see on our earth. So it does not produces its own light, it only reflects the light of a sun, and that is why moon is a non-luminous object. Again, diamond. So what is diamond? Is it a luminous or non-luminous? So it is also non-luminous object. So why it will glow in the dark? ये अंधेरे में क्यों चमकता है? Because it perform total internal reflection. total internal reflection. It is also one of the physical phenomena which we will see further in this chapter. So diamond is also a non-luminous object because it traps the light which is present in the atmosphere, and the light inside the diamond performs total internal and reflection. Because of that, light does not come out, and that is why diamond is a non-luminous object. Okay students, I hope you have understood this much. We will continue next time. Thank you. Have a nice day.